Yeah, your friend told me that you got poison. Is it true?
Yes.
Can I call you on video call?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Come on video. Let's see you.
No, it's not put touch on my body.
Eh?
And this, the family network did this village. Network that.
But now the network,
Video call.
now the network no they talk for.
And I called direct video call again.
Can I call direct video call again? Baba.
I don't know where they.
Ring giver.
Where they touch.
Hello.
Excuse me.
Okay, what happened to you?
Yeah, I started 2023. I was 2023. I started swimming gradually. So I thought it was just short of blood, normal.
You started what? You started what?
To the slim, to the calm down.
Okay.
So they treat after they go hospital, different tests, I thought of blood. Doctor they see different, they do different tests. Only short of blood, they just tell me short of blood. So I did bear blood. So then the body will give me chance. Last year, all these things called they come out from my body.
Is it be that one?
I don't break down. I don't know. I thought the treat hospital says scabies.
Okay.
I begin they treat shaky pulse. From there, the body goes give me chance small, but the spots they got they big. I can't go hospital again. And I said, November, when it started again, October, yeah. Now I don't take the hospital now. So when yesterday now I bad blood again. They got perform my body.
What did they say? What did Dr. Koto say they do you?
Doctor say 50-50, sha. No, my mommy said they work for church. Then my brother they work for native. But they come in and say nothing did the hand they give before I come cry meet my friends. So
Doctor say na 50-50 for waiting. Like waiting be the content of the sickness.
Yeah, okay. The place where my brothers go plus church, they say na spiritual poison they give me.
The place where your mom and your church go, the place where I go, spiritual and church say na poison. Spiritual poison. Yeah. What's be your name again?
So boring praise. Oh, you're not fair go.
Which tribe you be for Nigeria? You be where?
Delta State.
So na spiritual poison they do you like this, so. So na spiritual poison. Now they do you like this, so. Oh, very sorry. Though?
I thought they talk now as they fire with the physical treatment. I thought they feel talk whenever they fish shops is 3 months now. Only water they drink.
You know how they feel waiting shops is 3 months. That was in September.
Only water. So now drip that they give me strength and food.
Oh, very sorry. Okay, I will get back to you tomorrow. I just want to make
Nashi.
Yes, Kevin.
Okay.
I'll get back to you tomorrow, yeah?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Don't vessel. not verse my brother, not verse so say I hear it out yours now. Now video when I see, bless my mama, I do the video. Yes, so it dey clear up and I say they give a pikin spiritual poison. He don't buy blood tire. Me they help am for social media. No, when I go find video, maybe I'll send away for WhatsApp. I go school for my Facebook again. I'll send away for WhatsApp. Yes, so you know the mama they cry, bro. We see a spiritual attack. As you believe say na where your mama and papa go, your mama and brother go. Nothing is okay. Nah, she. But I vex Christian. I just dey tell because maybe no send money, no give fake pay, wrong people. Cause use your money to do other bad thing. Now we cannot go donate money for that place. They will put account number, but that first bank, now did the account, something like that. He paid me.
I never get to our talk. I never get to our talk. I'll sleep over the issue. I'll sleep over the issue before I know what to do. Because before I go help her, I need to go into investigation, a thorough investigation that can take even that in next year. A thorough investigation, like before I go say, okay, all the things we should do here now, say now 100, we have to go into a thorough investigation. Yes, to ask questions, to meet with her mother, to be this one they say no. Be this one they say no. Joy Nice. Why are you saying no? What's no? Why is no? No one let Joy Nice talk. Why is no? So I go they write what you're not supposed to write. Okay, I should just call explain just now. I will sleep over the issue, then we'll know what to do. Because sometimes that's why I talk English. So we'll see what we'll do, but we'll sleep over the issue. Let's see how it goes. So let's continue with our topic. So SKB.
Yes.
Right. If not you, how you feel? After all the money we don't send, give your family for Nigeria. At the end of the day, they're not
do anything.
Yes, how you feel?
My brother, first of all, I'll feel bad. And maybe it can't be say, nah, maybe last one for the family. I put that language, say maybe last one for the family. And I'm my senior brother and my senior star. Now I put for that position, make them do this thing. Wait for me. But as I come as, I don't care whether person. I want to say, I don't put my message in our wait till they don't do. Blood fish for our family.
Blood.
Yes. If he share for the family, he said that we might all temper and everything. You know, so at the same time, I feel decide say I not get family again. So now live when I did life. Some of my family don't die. The shop they are doing, they go.
If you can't do blood, you can't go back.
They listen. Say maybe now my other brother I lose guide me. Me also lose guide down.
How?
Because he say maybe we must surely find now. Maybe that accident now, we must hang and everything now. If you all guys want to go wipe your head, you go die like foul.
Then if you can't die like foul, what will happen to you?
No, me also dey. I bet the child will come back again.
How you want to
come say ah.
Let's keep quiet.
You know, I tell the truth. I just dey. If they go Kagbe meeting, they go any.
I want to do.
But I know I just dey that gallant. If he get children, maybe children don't grow. The children don't grow reach where I dey. Don't grow reach my age. For instance, so if they assume I go to find that they go. May not say papa for say my enemy. Because bro, you know what understand them to build that for somebody and it can't come. Nothing good to show off. Bros, if not struggle, you feel not mad. You know the shop leave for ground. He wo. You know the shop leave for ground. He don't finish. See, not like I tell you. See, sometimes he go for one side, he go for one side, he doesn't go for one side. Oh. You know, some guys, you know, some guys use Aduro up because of relationship, take up many guests, money, billions. Yeah, I'll do something for you, I'll do something for you. Go on, go call on. But because he break up, the girl can't move on to life. But go to take about it matter. But that guy, so if they plan the day we will go Nigeria, he go swear for the boy. The boy not there like father, they don't know to kill the boy.
Agbaka.
They don't know to kill the boy.
Next.
Now properly they talk about so.
That one na your own opinion, abi?
Na my opinion, my brother, na my opinion.
Okay.
Na my own.
Okay. Next.
Oh, you talk to you.
I will show my love you. Wa moya you. I need plantain. More good people come up. But in that your opinion, so you not follow him at all.
See, no get no verse. I want you to tell what. Maybe I want to put okay. You are assuming as okay. That day we want to do marriage now for Nigeria now. You can't sell the necessary money. Give your elder brother. May go do the needful on your behalf. You hear me? You can't sell all the money, all the everything. May go do the needful on your behalf. And you don't invite people. In and out, come that go the money. Go no go, come no come. What do you want to do as a man?
Okay. If you ask me, abi?
Yes.
I go vex. But say make I can't go buy am. You know your join at all. You know join.
You know, I know, but you know you can't vex. Wait, okay, not vex, bro. You know, say if you dey vex, all man dey vex. Okay.
If I use one take buy am, use one take buy am. Change the fact, say the money when he use make it come back.
That one dey.
Say for hand. So if I ever buy am, I go even make situation worst.
No, you know worse. I dey look at like that. As it buy, you start say, you say you donate for burial.
Ahia who you dey give person bad advice. Iyan you work when iyan ya back. Larry SKB. Wetin you know why they give people bad advice? SKB. What you cannot do, why you tell people to do it, SKB? You will not fit by fly. When that thing buffet, now you the 10% you go mini like but I no stand. That's what these bros now go. They comment section now they observe you now tomorrow. You go shook him mama. You say now you know get platform. Why go? The one where we did now for that woman, oh, we just really see it for that woman. Well, the real vessel. In fact, 2 more people. Let's close for today. 2 more. Now let these 2 ladies. Only one big portion. You talk to us.
Enogie, good evening.
Good evening.
Enogie, for me, for my opinion, make the boy and the woman you come Europe, make they forget about the family. And that one I just see. Because if you kill the mama now or the family now, you go prison.
Yes.
So my life imprisonment. So what is the need of killing them? So I know say they pay for, but may just suffer carry itself come Europe. May just forget about the family.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Enogie.
Jesse.
Enogie mad someone.
Jesse.
Epa, good evening, sir. Happy enjoyment.
Where's he?
Greet you, sir. Domo.
Hey.
Epa, we are feeling ma. We are here for you. We are feeling ma. We conversation.
Oh, queen, you know, you better way. If first we want to go over here,
Who are you? Domo, sir. Epa, For me, me, I believe say that kind of thing no go fit happen to me, because me no come for that kind of family.
Yeah.
For instance, say maybe it can still happen to me, me I no go just leave them, make them go free like that. If na sojo, I just use sojo take pick them, go read that my mama.
Exactly.
I just use
And the
soldier pick. Yeah, I just use soldier pick them because family wey me trust, wey fit eat my money like that, me not go let am go free. It's better outside that you eat am, no say na outside that, not be family wey me trust. So I just use
exactly.
sojo pick there. I just beat the better beating. Yeah, kawa gbiyan. Yeah, so because
Good your
Epa, you know
mom.
what? No. Epa, see, any mama or family where if you do that to person, they don't treat you as family. They treat you like stranger. They treat you like person when they don't even get for mind. That one I use the fact. You understand, Epa? They all
That's
treat you
true.
like stranger because person read blood, don't go treat person like that. For how many years will you take suffer? No, you
That's
say pick there. Yeah, waka gbiya, waka boli and this one. You understand that kind of thing? Hey. So that me go know say if me don't deal with them, me want come up for the family. Me no want join the family again. I
yeah.
just know say I do the waiting in my mind. Now just the
Yeah.
fact be that to a part true. Because my own family don't fit do that kind of thing. Oh. Because if you try, I go your fair hair. If na outside that chop and would they not be family, not make sense now.
Okay.
Don't want sir.
Well seen.
I greet you, pa.
Hey, thank you. Moderator, moderator, bring the rest people up. Hey,
Hello, Epa Domo.
yeah.
Domo Lamogo Epa.
Who your
Domo. Epa, for person like me, if that kind thing happen to my enemy, not be me.
yes.
Even if I use soldier carry there or bring there, it not go bring my money come back. The highest thing I know I can do, I go get angry, yes. But I'll suffer bad ticket back to the country where I for the come. But make the just know say that money where they chop so. Till they hold, can't go enter casket for this life. If you like
Yes.
me one swallow shovel. Me even be say na the mama wey born me swallow shovel, make dem no call me. In fact, no, dem no nobody will get access to my number. Everything blocked. No Facebook, no WhatsApp. I go change everything. I go be like Udefi Agbon. I don't know you, you don't know me. I use
Yes.
other people to do family for Europe. If na maybe na woman and he never do marriage, maybe that period na you first do your marriage. After your marriage, you don't go back to Europe. You block everybody. Start from your mama.
This guy's power tap, power
Na
tap.
wetin me I know say I go fit do be that one o. Make dem know say na their life money dey your chop so.
Wow.
Yeah.
Best reply so far. Thank
That
you.
one is pa.
Well see. TikTok lawyer.
Pardon, good evening.
Good evening.
Happy Sunday.
Thank you.
Okay. My own be say, e get one statement where almost everybody dey make sense wey I wan correct. They'll say, I not come from that kind family.
Yes.
The truth is, nobody they know say they come from that kind family until it happen.
Exactly.
You see, not talk say you not come from that kind family. You not go know until it does sup. You
Exactly.
understand? Person they pray say, may devil not be that time where you say, mommy, do this thing, wait for me. Now that time devil can't go use that person. You understand? If you say
Yeah.
make we talk now, your mama na the best, my mama na the best. You never can tell until that
Everybody,
time. Devil,
everybody na man na best.
that's why they say the root, money is the root of all evil.
Yeah.
If they don't see money now, another thought go they come. Make we just pray, make it not happen to us. You understand? If it happens to me, I don't know. My own be say I don't need to pay anybody. You understand? I don't want make blood dey my. At the end of the day, I go ruin my own life because I feel go prison put. You get?
Exactly.
Since they treat me as a stranger, I go just believe say, okay, I'm not a stranger. I don't have a family. Now who know you go do you? Epa, let's be sincere to ourselves. And sometimes outside I no go try wetin family they try to us. Because they know say if you want follow them, you no go look back. you go follow them. But if family can't do you, just like your own pikin do you something, you don't know how you want to do am. Wey be say, e no go still hurt you as a mother. That's just the truth. Make you just pray say make it not happen. Cause some kind of situation like that, if you say make you use anger, say handle am, at the end of the day, you go come still hurt your own self. So not be waiting that they buy person put. Now just say you go take heart, just pray say may God give you that patience. Make you not go do what you not supposed to do. So that's my own opinion.
Waro, nothing. Next, Kekere.
Double, sir. Good evening, everyone. If I hear me, Nabi, if I feel receive corner. Okay.
Yes, I hear you.
If I don't, if I first
Listen.
make a bet, bear your fair and not this one. If I say na Dubai this get day, and when this say I put on. If I ask me, are you the talk now? Na Dubai that get day now.
No. He did not even follow up with the apples. That.
If I me, why we play music? You see, me once had you see
Na another one we dey here. Oh, not be that girl.
But the sense similar way, no, now where you have a family where you go.
But not be that girl who dey talk now.
Okay. Okay. If not be that girl, if many people still dey, if tatafo me man, if tatafo me man. They were saying,
Adam yo, ya kasi gbe ni be kadam yo dey.
but they were getting no. Sisi ya wata we family because family get ya we get ni gbepa. They too short back.
Not be girl. Not be this girl. No. So that person. Wait. First day comment session first.
Okay,
yeah?
okay.
You don't understand this one at all.
But I winner, he too sweet.
No. I know. Because now only winner go fit make person not verify something like this. I know. Next.
Bro,
Hello?
domo.
Where's the bros?
Domo. Bro, mema, I don't really know what it is up. Iwe nive tamwa we equalises give wa anybody no need him winner.
Eh? You dey look for sales girl.
Yeah.
But where for Nigeria?
Yeah, for Bini.
Okay.
70K salary.
70,000 naira salary.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you do need time away, anybody run on need the beside the local vacancy row.
The person what they do.
And what they sell for shop, would they sell a school bag, would they sell for the bottle, children clothes, shoes, solar lights, all those things now would they sell for the store.
Every month 70,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it.
But so that you don't want sales boy.
Even if it's a boy, as long as say you know how to operate social media, so you could go they use what they said they make content.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, for those of you that is watching my live stream from Nigeria, if you are interested, just follow him now and talk with him. Where's my brother?
Okay, Domosa.
Be
Okay.
Those of una where they save money for family accounts for Nigeria, there is a very easy and simple way to do it now. You no need to go Nigeria before you get Nigeria accounts.
yeah.
Just go where they for they do NIN and BVN. It's one office there Napoli Central there for those with dey Italy. And I know say it's still dey Germany and it dey Holland also. Just do NIN and do BVN. Then find person where they work for inside bank. As I said, do my own. I know person where they work for inside Sterling Bank, so I need to call the person. Then my family just need to only help me buy SIM card, register am, go give the person. They go open the account like say you dey Nigeria. They will send you the form for your email. You go by yourself sign am. Your family no go sign am for you. You no
Wow.
even need ATM card. Then after you don sign am finish, you come log in your own online banking for here. Then you go dey put money for your account by yourself. If you wan send 5,000 naira give person, you fit transfer from your account give the person direct. If you wan save for there as you like. As long as that account carry NIN and BVN, it is unlimited. E no
Guys,
get amount wey e no go fit
do you
carry.
understand what this lady is saying? Una understand am or make I explain to una? Because wetin she just talk now go save a lot of una from stress. Well, I understand they are.
Because epari me yaki ogome.
Yes.
Me First Bank and even Sterling Bank. So na me dey operate the two with my name. I no need person to use our details or their details take open bank come give me the online banking for here. They fit follow your back collect ATM because na their details na im dey. So
Like,
use your details, sign the paper by yourself. If they send am for you, e get where they say they sign paper for email, sign am. Or you sign am with biro, scan and send am back. Then they go just fill am for bank there, put your Nigeria phone number, then put your email for here. Then they'll put am say you dey receive alert both for email and phone number. Then the SIM card, your family go post the SIM card come give you for here. For where you dey for abroad. Na so my house take dey. My Nigeria SIM card now, e dey my small Nokia. If I put money for account anytime, I dey receive alert for email and the phone number. So you get to the point now, so that all this family chop money go still reduce. Now, you understand? So because to work for Europe, people wey dey follow code dey go work. E no easy o. E no easy, eh?